Finally, been waiting for it so long. The PCBA finally arrived. Let's connect it and see how it works. Huh? No LED? Let's see. Can't connect. It's broken. What do we do?
Ronnie, we have only 3 days for the new product launch. Is the PCBA done?
Boss, I tried my best. The PCB arrived today, but it doesn't work.
You have to get it done within 48 hours.
I know, boss. I'm very sorry. I will try my best. I will look for another service to solve this issue. PCBA in 24 hours or 48 hours. Hello?
Hello, Ronnie. This is Betty from Pcbasic.
Hey, how are you?
How are you? Your order has been arranged for materials preparations.
Wow, so quickly.
Yeah, and the production will start tomorrow at 9 in the morning.
Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, see you tomorrow. Hello, Ronnie.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you for coming.
Sure, thank you for having me.
Let me show you around. Let's go. This is our office.
Looks great.
There is our IT team. Here is our engineering department. This is our data center.
What does it show?
From this, you can see all the production status.
Oh, it's pretty smart.
Very smart. This is our certification and the patents we have gained. There is our products which applied in different fields, mainly focused on automotive and medical. Here is some finished products. We also provide one-stop service.
That's really impressive.
This is our patented mass system. From this, you can see immediately and clearly which process your order is going to.
So you can also see my order on the system.
Yes, you can.